Some places around here seem to flood when it looks like rain, but this week we may see new trouble spots developing. Dan's live with the story of how some people landed in deep water.
Tim, what North Texas could really use is an extended break from the rain, but as we take a look at the coming week ahead, Evans says some areas could get another 6 inches of rain. It's the kind of forecast that makes you wonder if the flooding we saw at this location is going to happen again. Now, this video shows what conditions were like as drivers attempted to get on the freeway here where I-35E crosses over Mockingbird Lane. Fox 4 photojournalist Stephen Smith recorded these images. Several vehicles driving through the high water. A van and at least one other car appeared to get stuck trying to make their way through the flooding. There were multiple stalled cars and many people were seen pushing their vehicles to at least get them out of the deepest water. This was a situation many North Texans were dealing with on Sunday. Some remarkably high water. Fox 4 storm chaser Michael Beard took this video. At one point, he helped push a stalled car to higher ground out of the floodwaters. First responders said they were swamped with water rescue calls all afternoon. And as we mentioned, we have several more rainy days ahead of us this week. So one thing the National Weather Service is doing, keeping an eye on rivers in and around the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. A flood warning is in effect for some of them through Wednesday. Reporting live, Northwest Dallas, Dan Godwin on Good Day.